Today, in our fourth video module of cosmetic dermatology course, we are dealing with the role of cosmeceuticals, role and use of cosmeceuticals. First, we'll understand what do you mean by cosmeceuticals. Cosmeceuticals are the products that blends between the cosmetics and pharmacological products for the therapeutic purposes. So these cosmeceuticals are simply not cosmetics, or these are not the therapeutic products, but this is in between the cosmetic and the pharmacological products. For example, what are the examples of cosmeceuticals? Cosmeceuticals, moisturizers are also called as cosmeceuticals, then sunscreen lotions, retinoids, hydroxy acids, vitamin, metals, hormones, and antioxidants. These are the cosmeceuticals. But now we'll see one after one another. As all of you know, the moisturizer, the main role of moisturizer is to hydrate the skin, and these moisturizers depends on the type of ingredient, depend on the formulation of ingredient, and depend upon the action of the ingredient. So these moisturizers of four types, all of you know that: occlusio moisturizer, humectant moisturizer, emollient moisturizer, and lubricant moisturizers. And these moisturizers play a very vital role in hydrating the skin. Another is the hydroxy acids. What do you mean by hydroxy acids? Hydroxy acids are nothing but the superficial or mild exfoliants. They exfoliate our skin. By exfoliating or rejuvenating our skin, they help to remove the dead layer of the skin, and this will enhance the beautification and collagen resynthesis of the skin. These hydroxy acids are nothing but the organic carboxylic acids. There are three types of hydroxy acids. Number one, AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. Number two, BHA, beta hydroxy acid. And number three, PHA, polyhydroxy acids. These alpha hydroxy acids, mainly they are glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, mandelic acid, malic acid, and tartaric acids. In beta hydroxy acids, these are salicylic acids, and in case of polyhydroxy acids, they are lactobion acid and gluconolactone. So these are the hydroxy acids, alpha, beta, and poly, and they are the mild exfoliants, and they help in the skin rejuvenation and treatment. So this skin rejuvenation treatment help to enhance the beauty. It removes the dead layer of the skin, and it also help in treatment of acne, pigmentation, and scars. Third one is another cosmeceutical is the vitamins. Vitamins are nothing but they are used as a formulation in cosmetics. There are two types of vitamins: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are the vitamin A derivatives, vitamin E derivatives. Vitamin A derivatives is nothing but the retinoids, and vitamin E derivatives is nothing but the tocopherol. Vitamin A derivatives, retinoids, these retinoids are helpful in the correction of wrinkle treatments, and vitamin E tocopherol, they will help in the fairness treatment of the skin. Another are the water soluble vitamins. These water soluble vitamins are nothing but the vitamin C, also called as ascorbic acid, vitamin B3, also called as niacinamide, vitamin B5, also called as pantothenol. These vitamin C, vitamin B3 are helpful in the skin rejuvenation and fairness of the skin, and these are the cosmeceuticals. They are just not the only cosmetics or not only the pharmacological product. These are in between cosmetics and pharmacological products. Another cosmeceutical is the metals. There are 5 metals used as a cosmeceuticals. These 5 metals are zinc, copper, selenium, aluminium, and strontium. These 5 metals are very useful as a cosmeceuticals in the dermatology. We will see the importance of zinc in that. Zinc is in the form of zinc oxide. This zinc oxide is nothing but the calamine lotion. It soothes the skin, acts as a physical sunscreen, and this is one of the most used metal in the dermatology. Another is the bactriacin zinc. This bactriacin zinc, it acts as an antibiotic. Another is the zinc acetate. This zinc acetate, it acts as a skin protectant, and another is the zinc pyrethrin. It acts as an antifungal. So this metal is useful as a sunscreen. This is useful as antibiotic. This is useful as a protective, and this is also useful as a antifungal. Now we'll come to the sunscreen. About sunscreens, sunscreen is also one of the important cosmeceutical, and these sunscreens are in the form of SPF. The four types of sunscreens, they are low SPF, medium SPF, high SPF, and highest SPF. The low SPF sunscreen lotions are between the 2 to 15 SPF. Medium SPF are in between the 15 to 30 SPF. High SPF sunscreen lotions are between 30 to 50 SPF, and more than 50 SPFs are the highest SPF sunscreen lotions. These sunscreen lotions act as a sun protective, and they help us from the ultraviolet rays, and at the same time now the in sunscreen lotions tint or some compact or some foundation cream is also applied in that, so that also act as a foundation, and these foundation based sunscreens are useful for the sun protection. At the same time, they enhance the beauty of the skin. In overall, all type of cosmeceuticals, the most important cosmeceuticals are the hydroxy acids and sunscreens. These are useful nowadays in most of the clinics. Each and every patient must is always under treatment of, this is one of the basic treatment of hydroxy acid peeling treatment by the alpha, beta, and polyhydroxy acids. And after treatment, all patients are kept on the sunscreens. So this is about the cosmeceuticals. This is nothing but the in between, this bridge between the cosmetics and pharmacological products, and now these cosmeceuticals play a vital role in cosmetic dermatology.